Peppa and George help Mummy Pig do the laundry. Today, Peppa and George are helping Mummy Pig with the laundry. Peppa wonders what Mummy Pig needs help with. Oh, the dirty laundry basket. Peppa puts the clothes in carefully, but George tries to wash his toy dinosaur too. Huh? The washing machine goes round and round. Peppa and George watch in amazement. Peppa and George have fun hanging the clothes outside. All done! The laundry is clean and the sunshine makes everyone smile. Peppa and George watering the plants in the garden. Peppa and George are in the garden today. They're helping Daddy Pig water the plants. Hello? Peppa carefully waters the flowers. But George, oops! He splashes Peppa instead. Peppa gets angry and chases George all around the garden. Oh! Daddy Pig plants a new little tree. Peppa and George water the tree. After all the hard work, the tree suddenly grows big, making the Peppa family feel excited. They eat ice cream under the little tree, and the little tree waves in the wind. Peppa and George are proud of their garden. Peppa and George's family makes pancakes. Today, Peppa and George are helping Mummy Pig make delicious pancakes. Oh, suddenly George has an idea. He runs to get the tools and pretends to be a great chef. Mummy Pig grabs the pan. Oh! Peppa remembers the magic flower and runs to get it. Ha! In a moment, the magic flower turns into a pancake.
Wow!
Mummy Pig flips the pancake skillfully. Mummy Pig suddenly flips the pancake again. Oh no! The pancake flies away. The whole family feels sad. Suddenly, Daddy Pig appears like a hero. Daddy Pig finds the pancake, and today turns into a fun cooking day.